Hi, kindergarten. It's Mr. Jones. I'm here with another read aloud. Today, we're going to read a book about the life cycle of a butterfly. When we read this book, we're going to read all about what happens when a little baby butterfly is born in an egg and it turns into a caterpillar and then it finally becomes a butterfly. So, we're going to read together Caterpillar to Butterfly by Laura Marsh. This page is the table of contents. This tells us on what page we can find all the parts of the book that we're going to read. Riddle. What starts as an egg, then walks on many legs, and then uses wings to fly? A butterfly. Beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright colors. Some have bold patterns too. So you can see all the patterns that the butterflies have. Four stages. A stage is like a part of something. It's also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are four stages in a butterfly's life. The first stage is called the egg. Say, egg. This is where the little butterfly is starting to grow as a little baby. Next, it becomes the caterpillar. Say, caterpillar. In this stage, the caterpillar's got to eat a lot. The third stage is called the chrysalis. Say chrysalis, chrysalis. And finally, you have the butterfly. Stage 1, the egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or branch. Each egg is close to food, caterpillar food, that is. Butterfly eggs come in all different shapes and sizes. Stage 2, the caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg and it crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. The caterpillar eats its shell. Then it eats the leaf it's on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf. It eats that too. You can see the bite marks where they bite off all parts of the leaf. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its own skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. A new skin fits for a while, but then the caterpillar is too big for that skin too. Caterpillars shed their skin 4 to 5 times. So this is the butterfly just after it sheds its old skin, and this is the old skin that the caterpillar just shedded. It just took it off. Stage 3, chrysalis. By now, the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called a chrysalis. It is a hard shell. Inside, the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. Stage 4, the butterfly. The chrysalis moves. It splits open. The butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. They get bigger and harden. The wings dry. Now, the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. Next part of the book, time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. Mmm. I bet that's some good nectar. Cool butterfly facts. Fact number 1. Butterfly wings are covered with tiny scales. Fact number 2. The world's smallest butterfly is the blue pygmy. Say pygmy. It's the length of a pushpin from wing to wing. So take your thumb, and if you look at about the fingernail, it's about that big. That's a tiny butterfly. Fact number 3. Butterflies are found all over the world except in Antarctica and the driest deserts. Fact number 4. There are about 17,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. You think that's a lot of butterflies? Fact number 5. Butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors there. Fact number 6. The world's largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandra birdwing. It's as long as a ruler from wing to wing. That means it's about a foot long. That's a big butterfly. Back off. Caterpillars and butterflies are a tasty snack for predators, but they have tricks to keep predators away. Some hide using camouflage. Can you see this butterfly? Some can be deadly to eat. Some look like other things. So we talked about those 2 words a little bit before. This first word was camouflage, an animal's natural color or shape that helps it hide from an enemy. And predator, an animal that eats other animals. Moth or butterfly. Moths and butterflies look alike. Here's how you can tell them apart. A butterfly has a body that is slender. Slender means it's very thin. They can be brightly colored. They mostly fly during the day, and they have antennae that are thin and have little knobs at the end. Say antennae. It means they have their antennae sticking out here. A moth has an antennae that's slim to a point. So it's got a pointy end, and they look kind of like feathers. Moths are usually brown, tan, or white. Their bodies are fat and furry. I mean, their bodies are much plumper than that of a butterfly. And moths mostly fly at night. Bring butterflies to you. You can bring butterflies to your backyard. Make a butterfly garden. But first, ask an adult to help. Here's what you'll need: plants that are local to your area, plants that bloom at different times. You need plants that are orange, purple, yellow, pink, and red, that have orange, purple, yellow, pink, and red flowers. Butterflies like bright colors. You need flowers that are clustered together. You need flat-topped flowers. A sunny spot for butterflies to rest, like a flat stone. A wet or watery spot for butterflies to drink. And you can't have a spot that has any chemicals, so no chemicals, which can kill butterflies and caterpillars. We don't want that. What in the world? These pictures show close-up views of butterfly things. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. Picture 1. A caterpillar starts here. Very good. The caterpillar starts with the egg. Picture number 2. Hint: big changes happen inside. Which stage was this? It's a funky word. It's called the chrysalis. Right here. Stage number 3. Hint: it's an all-day eater. Who's this guy? Caterpillar, that's right. Number 4. Hint: this is covered with scales. Butterflies use to fly. The butterfly wing. Very nice, kindergarten. Hint number 5, or excuse me, picture number 5. Hint: it uses this to hide from predators. We learned about this word. Camouflage. Very nice, kindergarten. And last one. Hint: you won't find these on your head, but I suppose you will find them on a butterfly head. Antennae. Very nice, kindergarten. So we read all about the life cycle of the butterfly.